This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Well guys, now let's take a look at the gold market. On the gold market, situation is also calm, stands calm because, as you understand, the markets expect the non-farm payrolls release, and as I said in the today Euro update, that hardly we will see any significant action prior to the non-farm payrolls release. So market finally has hit the level that we have discussed yesterday. So it has touched the edge of our crucial level right here, it's 1280 area, because this level, as we said yesterday, is in fact the last chance for the bulls. So the market will either turn to the upside here, or it will hardly turn up soon anywhere again. So if market will not hold above this 1284, 1280 area, then probably we should wait for first clear out of these lows, and potentially in the long-term perspective, we even could expect the reaching of the 1170s lows, because we have the monthly stump grabber pattern, this bearish pattern. That's the perspective on the gold market. So today and the next week, probably, if we will not get the solution of this riddle today, we will be watching for price action in this area. Potentially, currently it's very difficult to say that market will turn to the upside. This will be reversal, but market, if it will hold here, it could postpone for a considerable period of time the downward action. So here we could get this pattern, A, B, C, top, deceleration if market will start to move down. If market finally will show the retracement up here, and we could get the bottom line, market could move to the 1350 area approximately, we could get this A, B, C top here pattern. So it will postpone the starting of the downward action, but taking into consideration this behavior of the market, it's hard to suggest right now that that will be some sort of the reversal or something really big. Maybe market could start some significant retracement, but that's at maximum. Hardly we currently could speak about the drastic shift in the sentiment on the gold market. Well, meantime, as you can see, take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. Meantime, market has shown some sort of the bouncing up right from the support that we have discussed. That's 618 support, weekly pivot support 1, and agreement, this A, B, C, D pattern. So that's very good area for taking the scalp long position if you would like to do this. But for us, major reason is to see what will happen. Also guys, today, as you know, the new tensions has started in the Ukraine, so the turmoil is growing there, and the so-called Ukrainian government has started the punishing military operation against the federalization supporters on the southeast of the Ukraine. So that also could support the gold market, depending on how the situation will start to develop there and what will happen. As you can see, the geopolitical factors again invade in the economical ones, so and could dominate over them for some period, because the geopolitics is also always very significant, and it usually takes the lead when on the heaviest impact on the market. So that's also could make some impact on the gold market in the nearest future. Well, but technically speaking, in general, I do not see any drastic surprises from the market. Market has hit the support, and now starting some hint on the possible upward retracement. Right now, the major question is whether this retracement will be just a respect of this support, market will turn to the downside again and continue to move lower, or that will be really starting action to the upside. We will see. Well, on the daily time frame chart, I forgot to say about this action. So we have discussed this previously, but Just to remind you that this is the bearish dynamic pressure. Trend holds bullish, but price action absolutely doesn't support and turns down. When the market forms the bearish dynamic pressure, usually the target of this pattern is taken out of the previous lows. But if this will happen, all bullish setup and short-term bullish setup will be vanished and will fail. And if market will take out of these lows, I will not be surprised if downward action will continue and we will stand on the road right to the 1170s lows. That's also possible. Let's see how non-farm payrolls release will impact on this force balance on the gold market, what will happen. And in the weekend we will discuss the situation on the gold market after all these significant events that we will get today.